Hey all, good evening. This is Raghu here. Welcome to Billionaire. So although I did not get enough views or encouragement on Fibonacci, maybe because it was not a holistic knowledge sharing, I wanted to continue the Fibonacci and show you how the levels worked. So there was 3 videos which I shot, except for the first one, the initial introduction, then I did not get anything. So this is just an attempt because a few of our channel members asked me to continue it as they follow Fibonacci. So here is my attempt to show you how the levels will be working. So you know, just to quickly brush. So we have 100% Fibonacci, A, B, C. The first one is 100%. The bottom swing is 0%. Retracement will be important levels are 61.8 and 38.2. Right? Let me make it big for you so that you can see this one. So this was the swing where we started intraday Nifty. So in this swing, I told you that in a strong trend, market always faces resistance at 38.2. So it did not do 100% retracement, came here, faced resistance, came down, tried to test, but before testing only it went down. And this 100% retracement was broken here, and I had given the level. These are the levels market can go, right? This swing A, B, C. This is a retracement and same swing downside. Got it? This swing downside is the target. So it hit the target of 1.414, then returned. Now this swing, watch this one. This is the swing. A, B, C. Again went down, double bottom formed. So it went down but did not retrace 100%. Had it retraced, then the targets would have been this way. 0 to 100, this would have been the target if it goes down. Since it has not retraced, okay, did not retrace 100%. It took support at 0.236, came back. The 61.8 is kind of double top where it was facing resistance. And this 61.2 is also broken out and it is at 78.6. Understand how Fibonacci works. It never goes outside Fibonacci. You see 78.6, it is at 78.6. Now this retracement of A, B, C, for you, I will mark it A, B. Consider this at 1 because we are looking for major hourly trend. This is also one trend, one swing, but I'm talking about the bigger swing. Now this swing resistance is at 38.2 and 61.8. Now this swing 38.2 and 61.8 has been taken out. Now it is at 78.6. This is a deep retracement. Now from Fibonacci standards, if tomorrow market sustains above 78.6, then it will definitely test 17,592, which is nothing but 17,600 as per my earlier pivot analysis, right? Now, once it crosses 100%, what are the targets it will go? 1.13%, 1.27, 1.414. So 17,600 is a strong resistance, I said in my earlier video on the Nifty analysis of proper entry and exit. So do you see 17,600? It is 592. Please don't be absolute in the market, be subjective. So 17,600 is what? This prints 38.2%. So in a strong downtrend, 38.2 is where the upside or downside, it will come and then continue further down, right? So this swing 38.2 already acted as a resistance. So this level will again act as resistance. If this level is taken out, this is your target. It can go until 1.618 golden ratio, but for that golden ratio, the 61.8 golden ratio of this swing also needs to be taken out. So for you tomorrow, if it gap ups and goes above 100%, so it can definitely go till 17,780. Can it happen tomorrow itself? No, we can enter into a consolidation phase. So we need to Be careful. Now there is one more very important thing in this strategy. Fibonacci confluence. This is A, all the way come to B. This is C, right? So in this, is it about 38.2 of the overall downtrend? Yes, today it has crossed about 38.2. Now when it has crossed 38.2, right? Why this red? Because this swing 68 point and this week 100%. So this was supposed to act as a resistance. It did pose resistance, went up. Now this is about 38.2. Okay. What are the next important level? The next important levels are 68.2. So this 68.2, I'll mark it in green because this is the level we want to watch. Of this entire fall retracement is up to 61.8, and this is also a goal of 1.13% of this swing. So this level will be very crucial, 17,664. People will be watching and people might tend to react here. And if you see on the left hand side, we do have some form of price action here. 0.618. I'll just leave it at 0.618. All right. So for tomorrow, 78.6, it should go above this, break the 38 point of 17,600. If 17,600 is broken, the next resistance is 17,664. If this is broken, then definitely it can break this one and hit 1.414 or 78.6 retracement. So this is a confluence of two swings where target can happen. All right. If it continues further, I will mark it so that we can review next time. This has to break, okay, after 100% retracement. Target 1. And this is target 2. This is my way of using Fibonacci confluence and going for targets. So hope this helps. It can go beyond that, but for now, these are the two crucial resistance where I see. So, and you know, the top 100% retracement will also act as a resistance. So let's see how it goes. Hope this helped, guys. Thank you. Please do share, subscribe. We'll bring more quality videos. Thank you.